My name is Jeffrey Chernick. I am the Chief Strategy Officer of MedResults. We've a company that has 24 years of history globally. And the product that we're here to talk about today is our flagship product, the Plexr. It is a versatile aesthetic device that has over 100 protocols that works on all skin types. And the point of today is to really show not only the different protocols, the top 5 protocols, but really the bottom line on profit. Because while we're all in this for good reasons, we're also in this to make a living and feed our families and have a future that we're all dreaming about. And we believe, and our customers believe, that the Plexr is one amazing path to get there.
The protocols that we've picked out are the top 5, but there literally are, hundreds of treatments that you can do with this device. And that's one of the great things about it. It's incredibly versatile, can be used on all patient skin types, 1 through 6, to treat a number of conditions. And this can be something that says, mild as a lunchtime treatment that with minimal redness, minimal or no downtime, with great results, all the way up to, something that's, like soft surgery. So we're removing tissue. We're actually, we're going to show you some photos of that where we can do necks and blepharoplasties and moles and all sorts of more surgical type procedures, but do this in a setting with minimal risk, minimal scarring, and minimal downtime. Now, this is the part that I get really excited about, the soft surgery. So not that I don't love all the other stuff. Our estheticians do it. Beautiful results. Patients love it. What I personally love performing, and I literally could probably just do it all day long, it's addictive, is these soft surgeries. So things that we can do to really remove unwanted tissue, unwanted, laxity or tighten things in a really, really quick, efficient fashion. And so look at this blepharoplasty. I mean, really, there's nothing else even, that we've been able to do in the aesthetic world to remove tissue like this short of surgery. And so a lot of us that are operating med spas and, doing things in this med spa setting, we're having to refer those patients out. Now, I've been using plasma technology for a long time, actually, even before the Plexr, but in a different fashion. And I can tell you that even with that is my favorite technology to use when we talk about energy-based devices. I love plasma in general, but to actually remove and ablate some of this tissue, we're not going to be able to do this with a lot of patients without something like the Plexr. It's not going to be safe on all skin types. Now, this is a light skin patient that we're showing you, but you could actually do this on all skin types. And some of you guys may know this patient. This is actually Dr. Triponi. This is his photo. So he's one of our Empire instructors. He's in the Georgia area, Atlanta. He teaches a lot and sometimes down in Florida. But this is his results on his, he did his, Arash, did you do that or he did his treatment?
So basically he did himself. This is the result of the 2 session. And the story is he called me one day and telling me that, Arash, I'm not happy with the results with Plexr. And I said, okay, what's the problem? He said, I did 2 times on my own face and I don't see that much result. I said, do you have a before and after picture? He said, no, but I can make one. I said, okay, make one and send me those pictures. So 5 minutes after, he sent me this picture, calling me, laughing and saying, oh man, it's like amazing, unbelievable. I forgot, because it happens over time. So you forget it. Here you go.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's one of the kind of, cool things about any of the bioregenerative therapies that we're doing. It takes a little bit to see the results, but people, because they're looking at it every day, they forget where they started because every day is like a new baseline for them. So the photos are really important. I hate having to use photos to convince people that they've had a result, but something like that is so drastic. Sometimes you need it to remember where you started.